there, I hope you've been keeping well and safe. This is Irene and thank you for joining me once again for another house plan video. Before we continue, we have been getting a lot of inquiries from you. If you need to get in touch with us for our services or for any of our house plans, we have provided our telephone contacts and our email addresses down below, and these are provided on every video. So shoot us an email, give us a call, and we'll be readily available to help you. As always, we thank you for the support that you have been giving us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification if you haven't already done so. Today, we have another beautiful cottage-style house plan for you. Join me as we take a look at the Ande 4-bedroom cottage house plan. This is yet another beautiful 4-bedroom design that has a cottage feel. This house plan is targeted towards a client who wants to develop a cost-effective 4-bedroom home. With its timeless classical style, this home design is an elegant solution that will allow a reasonably compact home feel quite superior. The beauty of this design is the well-balanced form with the steep roofs, the stone and plaster mix, the picturesque entrance porch, and balcony overhangs that create the main character of this home. The front porch takes you to the inside of the house. You have a lounge and a dining area seated side by side in an open plan format. Beyond the dining area, you have a spacious kitchen with a walk-in pantry and a laundry room. A door from the kitchen leads to the rear yard. At the rear yard, you have a servant's quarter. On the other side of the lounge, you have 2 bedrooms with a shared bathroom. This shared bathroom also serves your guests. On the first floor, you have a spacious master bedroom with its own private bathroom and a private balcony. You also have another smaller ensuite bedroom located upstairs. The Ande 4-bedroom cottage house plan has a total of 163 square meters. The ground floor has a total of 114 square meters and the upper floor has a total of 49 square meters. This house plan has a plinth dimension of 12 meters by 13 meters. With this plinth dimension, this house plan is perfectly suited for an 8-acre piece of land, that is a 50 by 100. You need an approximate budget of about 5.7 million to construct this home. Now, to come up with the approximate cost of construction, we use the construction cost handbook. This is a handbook that is provided and updated every year by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors. This is a good estimate to keep in mind, but always remember that a lot of factors can affect the cost of construction. And that is the Ande 4-bedroom cottage house plan, featuring 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in our next video.